Last two student examples. So here we go. Student example number 2. It says that M 5, 6 is the midpoint of CD. The coordinates of D are 3, 8. What are the coordinates of C? Go ahead and pause the video and try this problem. And when you have an answer, you can hit play and check your answer against mine. Alright, so I am going to do this graphically. So let me get a pen. So M is the point 5, 6 over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well, I did not do a very good job of getting graphs that would work for me. And it says the coordinates of D are 3, 8. So over 3 up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's going to make that disappear. Freaking hate this thing. Alright, so this is D, and this is point M. Alright, and so I want to know what the other end point is, or what C is, because CD goes through M. So it's going to wind up down here somewhere. So I'm going to be looking for a point down here. Now, if this point doesn't wind up down here, I'm going to have an issue. So, to do this graphically, how do you get from D to M? Well, you have to go down 1, 2, and then you have to go over 1, 2. So I'm going to do that exact same thing. I'm going to go down 2, over 1, 2, and that puts me right here. So my drawing was a little bit off, but you get the idea. So this is the ordered pair over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, up 1, 2, 3, 4. So the answer to this question is 7, 4. And again, if you would prefer to do these algebraically, just ask me and I'll go through some more algebraically with you. Alright, last example. So these midpoint questions would be great and wonderful if all they ever asked you to do was find the midpoint or find the endpoint. But what they're going to do is they're going to put these into some really weird word problems, and it's going to try to confuse you. Don't let these confuse you. Just treat them exactly like a midpoint problem. And so this one says, a family is traveling from Charlottesville to St. Louis for a vacation. There's a motel located midway between. So when they say this, you need to start thinking midpoint. There's a motel located midway between Charlottesville and St. Louis where the family wants to stop. All right, so now it's going to tell you where these points are on the map. Charlottesville is on the map at 10, 4. So I'm going to plot that point. Over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, up 1, 2, 3, 4. So here is Charlottesville on the map. And it says St. Louis is on the map at -8, 5. So -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8, up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this point right here is St. Louis, and I'm looking for the point that's midway between them where the hotel is that they want to stop. So first thing I would do is count how far from here to here, how far down do I have to go? I have to go down 1. So half of 1 is 1/2. So I'm going to be somewhere on this line here. This line obviously isn't straight, just go with it. Alright, so I'm going to be somewhere on that dashed line there. And now let's see how far over I had to go. I have to go over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. And half of 18 is 9. So I'm going to count over 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and I know it has to be on this line, so it's this point right here. So what is the ordered pair for that point? Well, it looks like it's over +1 up 1, 2, 3, 4.5. So it looks like it's over 1 up 4.5. Alright, so that's the end of the notes for today. You can go ahead and get started on your classwork. Make sure you use your references, your colleagues in your notes when doing your classwork.